go to my vlog. Welcome to Kia's vlog. So let's open the new order of my sister. I opened it, but here is the makeup. So I'll set to her. Just wait, please. Oh, in fairness, is good. But where's the gas? I don't know. That's my sister. And she have her own makeup and I have my own makeup. So let's go. Let me tell you, but my sister used this and ruined my makeup sis. So this is the it has a brush.